If you're receiving this email that you've imported grades from Blackboard to GradeQuick, and now because of Windows 8 and your Surface Pro, you're having some trouble reopening the files that your regular grade files, or opening the next file. This is caused by a conflict between Windows 8 and GradeQuick and the way that they saved the last file location you were in. So the way that it's exhibited, that this problem is when you log in. I'm going to log in as Mr. Seeger, and you'll see this problem when you go to log in or to open another class after importing. So while GradeQuick opens, we know that we've asked GradeQuick to look into this problem, but they currently don't support Windows 8. So when I go to File Open, you can see that it's opening in the Downloads area to open my class, because that's the last place that we went to import a file. And we're unable to navigate back to our old location because it's a hidden system, a server file location that has some restrictions on it. So how do we get around that? Well, there's a couple of ways to do it. We're going to show you one way, or both ways actually. One way is to hit reopen, and there you can, instead of open, you can find your existing files and open them that way, and that works, but it's not the most reliable method because it doesn't always open properly there. So we would like to be able to just do it the old way, to go to File, Open. So I'm going to minimize this window for a second. And what we're going to do is I'm going to be sending you an email. And in the email, it's going to be this string of characters. So here I'm just copying it off a notepad, but you'll copy it from your email. And I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to shut this down again. And on your Surface Pro desktop, you're going to go right-click and say New Shortcut. And what we're going to do here is create a location, a shortcut to the drive that has your GradeQuick files in it. So we're pasting into this box, and unfortunately it takes a few minutes to come in. So once it's done that, all you're going to do is put at the end of that string the username that you use to log into GradeQuick. In this case, J. Seeger. And then we're going to just hit Next. And it's going to ask us to name that shortcut. And rather than just leave it J. Seeger, I want to change it to GradeQuick Files. And finish. Okay, so we don't have to worry about it. It's on the desktop. Now let's go back to GradeQuick and go to File, Open. And we're still in that Downloads area. So we want to get out of this area and go to our desktop and find that GradeQuick file area. And again, it's just a shortcut to the Windows, to our regular location on the network drive. And here are all the files. So now I can open one. Mr. Seeger uses a password, so I'm going to put the password in. Hit OK, and there's that file. Now the next file that I go to, the next time I want to open a file, it's going to remember that last location. And it's going to know it's in that same location. So it's always going to find those files. Every time you import, though, you're going to Downloads area and importing, and it's going to remember that last location. So you need to go back to the desktop shortcut to find it again. Hope that helps. Sorry that we have to go through this extra step. Hopefully we'll be able to eliminate this at some point.